J&J Auto Wrecking engine test for DXDO275. This is a 1999 Dodge Ram 1500. Magnum 5.2 liter V8. Very well maintained truck. You can see recently had a brand new radiator put in. The fenders are rotted out, doors ain't rotted out. It's a really outstandingly clean truck. Even the bed sides aren't rotted out. Again, this is J&J Auto Wrecking DXDO275, 99 Dodge Ram. This vehicle has 136,666, oh boy, miles on it. I'm also going to do just a short into gear forward and backwards training test here. Nothing too major. I think something might be wrong with the linkage. Oh, so we're not going to do a training test, but this is a good engine test, and we'll look a little bit more into why this tranny won't go into gear. It is a wrecked vehicle. Oh, the transfer case is in neutral. There we go. That's why. Transfer case is in neutral. The vehicle isn't going to go and drive. Here we go. Yeah, we're going forward. And good reverse action here. But let's do a proper J&J test here. Since we're at it, might as well. It'll be a valuable training, so I might as well do it for justice. We're in four-wheel drive here, so test out the four-wheel drive as well. And we're in second gear. This is DXDO275 again. Everybody wave hi to the office and the nice warm in there. Yeah, oh yeah. And we're back off around here. It is like 2 degrees today here at J&J Auto Wrecking. I am not thoroughly enjoying myself. Let's say a little hi there to Walt. How you doing there, Walt? Now we got a nice body slice going out there in the 2010 Charger. This. But honestly, everybody's a little jealous, even though it's an older truck. We don't really want to see it parted out. It's a shame. Barely hit the front. But insurance companies do what insurance companies do. We got a fresh one rolling in here on the Patriot towing. So you get a little reverse action here. Thanks again for watching. This is J&J's test extended length video of DXDO275. Remember to ask for our extended lifetime part and labor